Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the intriguing world of international relations, or IR for short, and unraveling what exactly a theory is in this context. So, buckle up as we embark on this intellectual journey. Let's kick things off by understanding what a theory actually is. In the simplest terms, a theory is a tool that helps us understand and explain the world around us. In the realm of international relations, theories are crucial because they offer frameworks through which we can interpret complex international events and interactions. Think of it as putting on different glasses to view the world. Each lens offers a unique perspective. Now, let's talk about the role of these theories in international relations. Theories in IR help us predict and explain behaviors between countries. They are the backbone that supports and guides policymakers in making informed decisions that could impact global peace, security, and prosperity. For example, realism, one of the primary theories in IR, posits that all nations are motivated by national interest and power. So if a country increases its military strength, a realist would nod and say, "I told you so." Moving on to the theoretical framework in international relations. This might sound a bit daunting, but think of it as a structure or system that organizes our theories. A good theoretical framework helps us place our insights and observations within a broader context, making it easier to connect the dots. In IR, this could mean looking at how economic policies affect international alliances, or how cultural differences impact diplomatic relations. So, why is all this important? Well, without theories and frameworks, the field of international relations would be like trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle without having the picture on the box. Theories give us that picture, helping scholars and diplomats alike navigate the often turbulent waters of international affairs. Remember, the beauty of studying international relations lies in the diversity of its theories. From the power-focused realism to the cooperative ideals of liberalism and the transformative approaches of constructivism, each offers unique insights into the forces shaping our world. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this gives you a clearer understanding of the fascinating role theories play in international relations. See you in the next video where we'll explore these theories one by one. Until then, keep questioning and stay curious. Goodbye.